Imagine a future where intelligent algorithms don't just assist, but actively shape the very pulse of global finance within one of the world's most prestigious investment banks. At Goldman Sachs, this future is already here, with artificial intelligence revolutionizing how investment bankers approach trading. Think of AI not as a replacement, but as an incredibly powerful co-pilot. The first step in this AI-driven trading landscape involves the ingestion and analysis of massive datasets. This includes everything from historical market prices and economic indicators to news sentiment and social media trends. Goldman Sachs leverages advanced AI platforms to process this information at speeds and scales simply impossible for humans alone. These systems identify hidden patterns, anomalies, and correlations that can signal lucrative trading opportunities. For investment bankers, this translates into enhanced decision-making. AI tools provide deeper insights, allowing for more precise risk assessment and more informed predictions about market movements. It's about moving from reactive to proactive trading. Efficiency is another major win. AI automates many of the repetitive tasks traditionally performed by analysts, such as data validation, report generation, and initial order execution. This frees up bankers to focus on higher-level strategy and client relationships. Specific AI tools might include sophisticated pattern recognition algorithms for identifying trading signals, natural language processing for sentiment analysis of news, and machine learning models for predicting asset price fluctuations. These are the engines driving precision. The ultimate goal is to leverage AI for more optimized trading strategies. This could involve automated rebalancing of portfolios based on real-time market conditions or identifying arbitrage opportunities across different markets with unparalleled speed. This integration isn't about taking humans out of the loop, but about empowering them with unprecedented analytical capabilities. It's a glimpse into the future of algorithmic trading, where human expertise and artificial intelligence converge to achieve remarkable outcomes. This integration isn't about taking humans out of the loop, but about empowering them with unprecedented analytical capabilities. It's a glimpse into the future of algorithmic trading, where human expertise and artificial intelligence converge to achieve remarkable outcomes.